Yelling, caving in, gossiping. Whether it's a brief dispute or a lingering issue, during conflict situations, we've all acted in ways we're not proud of. It all comes down to a thought that often just pops into our heads. Psychologists call this an automatic thought because usually we don't even know we're thinking it. More often than we'd like, those thoughts lead us to destructive responses that make the situation worse. This is where everything DiSC productive conflict comes in. Everything DiSC productive conflict makes us aware of these automatic thoughts and their consequences. Participants are provided a personalized report that gives them a better understanding of their automatic thoughts and responses. Information in the report guides them to catch and reframe these thoughts and provides ideas for more productive responses. Armed with a new perspective, we have our best chance to transform those destructive responses and instead choose to turn conflict into something more productive. Contact your Everything DiSC authorized partner today to get started.